makes like things like floor reflect, where the glass you see through, where the fabric look like fabric and all that fun stuff. So before we get going, take a look at this. I'm going to show you 3 designs as examples. These 3 designs were done by freshmen, so it's not like this is like sophomore, junior, senior. This is done by freshmen, so you can make some really nice stuff right at this image. But in these 3 images, there's a mistake each time. Can you spot the mistake in this one? Take a close look. It's a nice looking design, good style, but it's got a mistake.
Floating, I don't know what it's called.
Right back here?
Yeah.
Yeah, check this out. They were putting in their plan. The model, the 3D model had it floating in the air. So when they made the nice rendering, the nice picture, it was still floating. It's not going to correct that. How about this one right here? This one's kind of tough to see, but look all around. So again, a freshman project. Designed real nice, living room, kitchen, hallway in the back, some nice art and lighting. You see the mistake in this one? This one's kind of tough.
Oh yeah, because you have COVID.
That is like, yeah, there's like a weirdness going on with that one. I'm not so sure what happened there, but it's actually somewhere else on the other side of the image.
Oh, the lights.
The weird
Really bad.
Yeah, right here. What's wrong with those?
They're like
They're floating ones?
Like right here. If I was to walk into them. But yeah, those are meant for like a higher ceiling or something. But everything else in there is really nice. And then one last one. This one is less, this one's more of a design mistake, less of a computer mistake.
Is that the clear bathroom?
Exactly. So nicely designed bedroom, they got their desk and their chair there, really nice looking bed. But then they put in this giant double wide glass door into that space. You know, it's a choice, decision, but not really typical, right? So you can make these models kind of do what you want. It'll make it look nicer, but you know, if you want to do some weird designs today and Monday. Hey, before we get started, let me just say this real quick. In Google Classroom, I put a set of slides. These are basically instructions for what I'm going to go through today. So if you ever need to refer back to it, or if you're this type of student that likes to go ahead and just go in, it's all right. Okay? Including getting logged in, which is what we want to do right now. So, again, you should be in Tracking Exploratory Class 2 and 3. That's how we all set up in class. If you're looking for the program we're going to use today, it's called Homestyle. Hey. So I'm going to take a second. Myself and Zach, we're going to be going around helping you get logged in. But when you click on the link, it's going to look like this. And the good news is when you hit either of these start designing buttons, it's going to ask you to sign in. You can't be helping him out, but you can take a look at yours.
Oh, this is, yeah. Oh, sorry, Jack.
We're almost there. All right, so this is Homestyle. This is a specialized house design program. By the way, this program is free. It works even on Chromebooks. We use this during like COVID. We were all remote. So basically, what we're going to do is I'm going to guide you through how to start laying out some rooms, how to put some windows in, how to change the colors on the walls, and eventually put in some furniture, which is actually really cool how you use this. So it'll work a little bit like we did SketchUp. So if you're here on Wednesday, you can use some of those skills. But where we're going to start is we're just going to make some rooms. And where I'm pointing right now, this is the draw rooms icon. If I click on that, watch how this works. It's pretty simple. Click on draw rooms. And then just like I'm drawing a rectangle in SketchUp, I'm going to click someplace to start. And as I move away, I can see this rectangle growing. Wherever I click again, it's going to define a finish. And what that did, click on your mouse, it'll actually orbit and spin. You can still zoom in or out, so you can see like everything that's going on in each of the rooms. So that's number 3. Number 1, if you have number 1 on your keyboard, it'll go back to that top-down view. Number 3 is 3D. And then number 4 actually puts you down on the floor. So that later on, you can experience your house, what it looks like if you were actually standing there. So that's 1, 3, and 4 for your views. That's how you switch between them. 1, 3, and 4. Sometimes you hit number 4, it'll actually put you outside the house, but you can move easily. Right. 1, 3, and
That made the room a little big.
4. So you can go back to number 1.
Cause one of these walls is 62 feet long.
That is pretty long. Just for reference, if you measured from that corner over there to the corner way over by that door, it's 50. So, gives you an idea. You can adjust like this, Michael. If you click on a wall, it'll let you drag it. You gotta hit escape first. Alright, next up. Next up, we're gonna do something a little easier. So we're gonna add doors and windows. This is super easy. You just click on door or window right over here, and then you can click on any wall. And it will add those doors and windows in for you. So they're right over here. There are more styles if you want to explore. But if you just click on single door or the window button right next to it, all you then have to do is click on the wall and they're over here. You can't beat it. Click on a door, click on a wall, and I've got my door. Yes, we can change the style of them. We'll get to that in just a minute. But make sure you have enough doors so you can access every room in the house, of course. And make sure to add some windows too, so I'll give you a minute to do this.
Okay, I have a question.
Yeah.
Is there like a way to name something like the entrance to the destination?
Yeah, so do you see how I'm back in number 1 view and it has these names?
Yeah.
If I click on that room, I can then change
Yeah,
it right over here.
I'm there, but like, what's it called?
So there's a bunch of options. You know, there's like a ton. There is one that's called other room. If you don't see a name you want, that'll allow you to type it. Most of the common rooms are there if you need to. Right, so try that. I'm gonna say they take a circle around the room. Try getting the rooms in the way you'd want them set up. Try adding some doors and windows. Windows are gonna really make your design look nice later on towards the other projects. Don't forget about it.
I want to get out.
Why was these stairs like stairs? I'm gonna restart. Here.
Take the part of it.
I have a question. I wanna restart. How do I like?
To restart, just go right up on all you did. Or is there something that's
I press delete.
I got a question.
Yeah.
Is there any way to like cut out this slab of stairs?
Oh, just that.
Just that.
Yeah, so no. You can look for different styles.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna use basically a little tool that's called place, and we're gonna change some colors. You can do this on anything. You can do this on floors, walls, doors, windows, furniture, anything in your model you can do this. You just have to look for the word place. So we'll start with walls. It's all right now they're all white. We want to change that. Click on a wall. You're gonna see this bar pop up. Then you click on replace base material. So again, the key word there is replace. Click on a wall, click on replace base material. And the menu on the left will pop up. You'll have a choice of a bunch of different like colors and materials that you can do, just like SketchUp. Remember how we changed all those things in SketchUp? It's similar. So over here, I can click any of these things. I do have more types. Like sometimes when new students open this up, it puts you into this blue daily, which is not great for walls. You can change it right here where it says please choose. So there's more materials there. So if I find one, maybe I want to use this black wall today. And that wall will update. But let's say now, this one's like really important. Let's say I want to get that on every side of that room. They have an option, if you click on the new wall color, there is an option on that bar that says apply to whole room, apply to whole room. And then it will just color in all the walls in that room. So you don't have to like go in, find the color, then go to the next wall, find the color again, go to the next wall, find the color again. So you just paint one of the walls, click on that wall, and then say apply to the whole room, and it'll speed up the whole process. So try out changing a wall color right now, see how that works, and later you can go back and change them all.
How did you add another floor? Are you recording yourself?
Yes,
Why?
because I'm new.
She's recording. You want to see the, oh my god, the
You
edges.
can also do that with floors, if you click on a floor and say
The way I
replace.
did it was like this.
You
This
can do
is
that
the
with
cute.
doors, you can do it with windows, later with furniture, which we're gonna see next. Just take a second.
She's recording
Try changing
herself
out maybe like
because she's
4 rooms
bored.
color or more.
The way you're looking at the things that you This is going to be because serious. Here you go, Cam. How did you add another floor? I'm so slow. Because I said add another floor, but it's not. Yep. If you want, like, put it where you want it. That is so odd. Like, what is this? Oh my gosh.
No, not nice. Add stairs.
The other was more.
Why are the stairs so big?
Again,
Why does mine jump like this? Show me how you do yours. Cyrus.
you can call it. You're right over.
It's not even that big.
So,
Look at this shit.
My entire house.
This shit's tiny, bro.
so
It's only 900 square. This size of this basically. Yes, it is. Remember for South Spirit, I added it to my house right now.
How do I like call this area out? What? How do I like call over that area? Necessary? Or attach? We'll do it once I finish.
Teach.
I don't know.
You're right over.
Okay.
Oh, you had a question?
Why so many doors?
What the freak?
Yeah. Closet. Bathroom.
Any
Bathroom is bad.
Wait, but when you enter the house, you enter
Yeah, exactly. Why would you? Bro's looking cooking.
Oh, that would be the third.
So I got a question.
You never see
Oh, I have no idea.
I'm going to put a cap.
Yeah, you can do it.
Like that is too?
You can try. But yeah, usually sometimes they'll allow you to unsell items. Color or two, doors and windows, and then try putting in some furniture.